As spring comes, everything seems to come to life. The birds return, the leaves come back, temperature is moderate, and for me, I think it makes me more creative and patient. Spring weather is a mood booster for all of us. Nature cares for everyone, whether an ant or an elephant. Mother Nature is very rewarding. You sow a seed and you will get many times more out of that one seed in return. There is plenty for everyone's survival here. Yeah. When we see things from ground level, we will get to know about how big is the world we are living in and how every creature is struggling for its own survival. This world doesn't belong to only humans. Mother Nature has kept share for every creature out there. Sorry for the poor camera quality, but can you see the fish in front of the frog? A tiny little baby fish. Frog wants to have her for the lunch, but someone faster than the frog captured the fish. Instantly, I have slowed it down for you so that you can watch it more clearly. I want my grandchildren to be able to appreciate the nature the way I do. I don't want it to be destroyed. If I had it by choice, I did say to everybody in their lives must sit with the nature often to feel the miracles it do for you and for other creatures in this planet. I like to go out into the green or into nature and any kind of nature I have around me and sit for an hour or half an hour and watch a tree, watch the grass, watch life unfolding and happening in front of me. If you want to do the same, you can. I would like to hear in the comments down below what comes out of it for you and your own experiences. Sending my love to you wherever you are, and take care of yourself and be the light that helps others see. And I will see you soon. Till then, bye bye. And please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care of yourself.